Hello friends, today's topic, no loans for long term, select these companies. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Companies require capital either in the form of equity, bank loans or their past profits to run and expand their business. Banks charge a fixed interest on the loan provided and they have the right over the assets of the company over the amount given. One of the main reasons for many companies to close down in the past is because of the high debt to equity ratio. These companies could not repay their loans since they had taken huge loans and also the revenues would have started declining, resulting in a very difficult situation. Example, Reliance Communication, Vodafone Idea, etc. Although there is no harm in having manageable amounts of debt or loans in a company, too much is too bad. We have compiled a list of stocks in Nifty 50 which currently have no debt or small amount of debt. Please note, banking and financial companies cannot be included in this list since their business involves borrowing money from others to lend it to other individuals and businesses. Hence, calculating debt to equity ratio does not make sense. Low or no debt companies in Nifty 50. 1. Asian Paints, debt to equity ratio 0.13, 52 weeks high 3423, current price 3052, 10 years returns 17%. 2. Bajaj Auto, debt to equity ratio 0.07, 52 weeks high 12,774, current price 11,864 and 10-year returns 17%. 3. BEL, debt to equity ratio 0, 52 weeks high 340, current price 287, 10 years returns 30%. 4. Cipla, debt equity ratio 0.02, 52 weeks high 1702, today's price 1599, 10-year returns 11%. 5. Coal India, debt to equity ratio 0.08, 52 weeks high 545, current price 492, 10-year returns 4%. 6th company, Dr. Reddy's Labs, 0.07, the debt equity ratio, 52 weeks high 7,107, today's price 6585, 10-year returns 8%. 7. Eicher Motors, debt to equity ratio 0.02, 52 weeks high 5,105, current price 4,742, 10-year returns 15%. 8. HCL Tech, debt to equity ratio 0.08, 52 weeks high 1,850, current price 1,832, 10-year returns 15%. 9. HDFC Life, debt to equity ratio 0.06, 52 weeks high 761, today's price 722. 10. Hero Motocar, debt to equity ratio 0.03, 52 weeks high 6,246, current price 5,484, 10-year returns 7%. 11. HUL, debt to equity ratio 0.03, 52 weeks high 3,035, current price 2,771 and 10-year returns 14%. 12. Infosys, debt to equity ratio 0.1, 52 weeks high 1977, current price 1931, 10-year returns 15%. 13. ITC, debt to equity ratio 0, 52 weeks high 529, current price 489, 10-year returns 8%. 14. Maruti Suzuki, debt to equity ratio 0, 52 weeks high 13,860, today's price 12,834, 10-year returns 16%. 15. Nestle, debt equity ratio 0.1, 52 weeks high 2778, current price 2510 and 10-year returns 16%. Going further, 16th company SBI Life Insurance, debt equity ratio 0, 52 weeks high 1936, current price 1734. 17th company Sun Pharma, debt to equity ratio 0.05, 52 weeks high 1960. Today's price 1899, 9% is a 10-year returns. 18 TCS, debt to equity ratio 0.09, 52 weeks high 4592, current price 4133 and 10-year returns 12%. 19 Tata Consumer, debt to equity ratio 0.22, 52 weeks high 1254, current price 1112, 10 returns 22%. 20 Tech Mahindra, debt to equity ratio 0.1, 52 weeks high 1636, today's price 1642 and 10 returns 11%. 21st company Trent, debt equity ratio 0.43, 52 weeks high 8322, current price 8190, 10 returns 50%. 22 Ultratech Cement, debt to equity ratio 0.19, 52 weeks high 12,138, current price 11,424, 10-year returns 17%. 23 Wipro, debt to equity ratio 0.22, 52 weeks high 580, current price 527, 10-year returns 9%. Now observations and comments regarding today's topic. Number 1. Usually when a company is having low debt and is growing its revenues and profits over the years, its stock price will give good returns. 2. The chance of such companies closing down is very low since it does not need to be worried about becoming bankrupt due to liabilities. 3. Majority of these companies have given 15% or more returns per annum the last 10 years, which is very good. 4. It is not necessary that all high debt companies are bad. However, if companies have high debt and their business is deteriorating, it will be very risky for investors. 5. As per finance experts, debt to equity ratio of less than 1 is low and comfortable. 6. We have listed only companies which have a debt to equity ratio of 0.40 or lower. End of the video. Here is the question. Which company in your portfolio has low or no debt? Type in the comment section. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.